welcome to the future. Drone window cleaning. Ain't that crazy?
Maximum circulation.
Okay, maximum circulation.
Lowest temperature. Okay, look. Okay, we're gonna do this. Second step. Okay, actually, okay, so we're okay. So we just pull it out.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. We know we have to do advertising. OxyClean for a better smelling car.
I always use McGuire's, but this is the one they had at the store, so we're gonna use this one.
Okay. McGuire's.
No, I'm sure the OxyClean will be
No,
great.
stop! I'm trying to do an advertisement. McGuire's for a better smelling car. Please sponsor us. We need money for racing. Okay, shake well before use and wipe away any excess. Oh look, there's even more instructions.
That's for the little pot, I think.
Oh wait, no, I want to shake it.
Okay, shake it.
Virgin margarita.
Caitlyn's never made a drink in her life. So.
They shake margaritas, right? Is it? I don't know. Whatever drink he drinks in the thingy thing. Okay. So step 1. Oh, this is the same instructions.
It just
Okay,
started
do I just
already.
open it?
Yes. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna get out. I don't want to get like
Yep.
killed from an odor thing.
Okay, guys. There she goes. Spraying all over the seat. All right. Now we're gonna watch the car. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Make sure, kids, to dry the car off quickly so it doesn't water spot.
And remember, kids, make sure to make your best model face so people know how hard you're working. We have some wrap for the hood,
Yeah.
and it is not just black. It's carbon fiber. And this is actually super nice. We're surprised, but let's pop it on there and see what you guys think. All right, well, guys, we're done. We just need to trim it now. I think it looks pretty good. There's a few waves, but I think it'll be just fine, right, Caitlyn? Yeah. All right, guys.
Look at Callie.
The carbon fiber hood.
Looks really good.
There's a couple little things to fix on it,
Some bubbles. Jeez.
but it turned out pretty well for a first-time wrap on Caitlyn's end. And me not being a good teacher. Yeah, and so now up and away. I don't know what we're saying, but she's looking good.
And don't forget, if you want a chance to win our giveaway car, which you would most likely have a 100% chance right now because we have had no one buy our shirt, so buy a shirt from the link in our bio description. Okay, and it'll enter you to win a cool car.
Or motorcycle or something. We're still deciding what we're actually getting, but we're gonna try to give some away. But man, it's hard to give things away.
Yeah.
People like don't want to like buy anything or
You
like
don't
just
want
subscribe.
something free? What?
We stopped at the condo really quick, filled up the water bottle, and now we're gonna continue our search for
Syringes for drugs.
for the drug that is this cayenne. In the light, you can like it almost like reflects kind of funny. You can't even tell us. All right, let's do this. Woo! We are unable to buy a needle from CVS
They think
without
we're
prescription.
drug addicts or something.
Even though I was literally asking for like a little, it's a needle like it's like that big, and you literally probably could even get drugs. I mean, I don't know enough about drugs to know that. I guess you could use it for drugs, maybe. But they're just like, oh, you need a prescription, so we just had to buy some on Amazon, and they're arriving tomorrow. So we're not gonna be able to show that in the video now. But it's okay. We're gonna go back home, and then we're going out to eat, baby.
Yeah.
Good. We're currently basically like pre-gaming. I don't know if that's what it's called, but we're like eating food before we go eat food. So I am eating a brownie. Caitlyn is eating pickles because we have no other food apparently. We have nuggets and pot stickers and other nuggets and like other food. She's just angry right now.
What are you whispering about?
But yeah, we're just gonna chill, relax. I got a big old cup of milk. I just spilled my brownie in my lap as well. But that's okay. Good stuff.
Guys, so we're about to go get sushi from
Ito, our favorite
Ito.
place in Utah. Sorry, I got to interject. Caitlin's gonna do the rest. But guys, here's the deal. This is their commitment to having good sushi because Utah has terrible sushi. They fly in fresh fish every 15 hours. Like every single day, they have new fish here. Just so we can have a delicious sushi. It's my favorite sushi place in the United States.
It's
Easily.
amazing. We love Ito's. But Zach was really cute. He was so excited. He's like, I'm going to wear this hat and they'll think it's so cool. And I was like, what if we're like the average tourist? And it just like, we have no idea what it says. And it actually says something like, love butts or like.
Nobody knows. Okay, but. Wait, let's see.
Wait, okay. Google, wait, okay.
Okay, take the picture. Because I'm pretty sure when I checked in Japan, there's like, oh, Tokyo rocks or something.
Tokyo is the best. Okay.
Yeah, Tokyo's the best.
We should see if it actually says that.
Yeah. And also, we are planning to go back to Japan.
What is that?
Okay. What thing is that?
What's that?
I fully believe we have some like little gremlin living in our house with us because we'll hear random stuff like clink around and things like that.
The random gremlin.
Oh, yeah, but that wasn't. We are going to Japan again soon, and we're gonna like hook up with our guy Mark over here.
Don't say it like that.
No, like.
Sorry, it sounds bad.
Meet up with our guy Mark, and he's gonna help us. He's gonna hook us up with something sweet,
With some cars.
so we can actually have a car for when we're going over there frequently. And it's gonna be sweet. But on top of that, guys, look what I found again. I thought I lost it for a little while. Yeah. It's all part of the bit.
Man is throwing a knife.
Good stuff. Let's get sushi, baby. Alright guys, right as we pulled up in our Porsche, we saw this Porsche, which I think is pretty cool. I mean, say what you will about the newer GT3s, but I mean, not my favorite generation, but I love the carbon fiber accents on the mirrors. I think overall this looks sick, and then the painted to match blue on the outer part of the wheel looks pretty good. Yeah, I like the previous generation GT3. That's the one I want because you get it in a manual. But that looks pretty good still. I did park a little ways away from the place just to get that on video because I love that car. But it's okay, it's good to walk. It is 95 degrees, so it's a little warm. But we're only walking like a block, so we chilling. But man, Porsche makes nice cars.
They really do.
Just our luck. Another GT3. Peach Crew. He has a carbon fiber hood though. Well, I guess his is raw carbon. It was good. We're here, Ito. Good stuff. Sadly, Caitlyn doesn't love his sushi as much as I do because I'm a purist. I don't do any like sauce or anything. I just like to enjoy the roll. She dunks hers in soy
I do
sauce.
not dunk it. I just eat soy sauce.
She lets it soak for like 5 to 10 minutes.
No, I do not. I converted into sushi, okay?
That is not true. I ate sushi before I met
did not
you.
like sushi before this, okay?
Not true.
I introduced this restaurant to him.
That's true. I hadn't tried this restaurant before.
Yeah, and that was his favorite. And just because I love soy sauce does not make me unauthentic because they had soy sauce in Japan.
No, fair. Also, it was really funny. Last time we were with my family, I'm not gonna name names, but someone in my family was just putting the ginger on their sushi and then eating it. This is just a palate cleanser, guys. Just so you know, ginger you just eat between rolls, and then
I don't
you have
even
a
know
palate
who it
cleanser.
was.
Good. And then that's wasabi. You eat it by the chunk like that.
By
It's
the
really
chunk.
good.
Yeah, like Mater.
Yeah,
It's
exactly.
pistachio ice cream.
It's really delicious pistachio ice cream. All right, we got our first 2 rolls. Romeo and Juliet. This is favorite part at Las Vegas. Just crazy. This is Vegas. Let's do it. We got the final roll. This is our scallop dream. Good assortment of stuff. These are definitely some of our favorite ones here. So eat them. Eat them when you come here. I think it's safe to say we both thoroughly enjoyed our sushi. Sadly, no one commented on the hat. Well, I mean, we had an American server, so you know, can't always do it. You know, normally we have a Japanese guy. He's really funny and nice, but he like barely speaks any English. He's an awesome dude. But also, on another note, guys, the price. Everyone was like complains about how expensive sushi is, and yes, I do think honestly some places really overcharge. But here we always go because it's happy hour, so it's like
On Tuesdays and Wednesdays, from 5 to 9 p.m.
yeah, which works out great for us because that means we might have a little bit extra time. 'Cause we're both in school, but think about this. $20 or $25, depending on what rolls you're getting, to feed 2 people. That's like a meal at Chick-fil-A, which I love Chick-fil-A, but people complain about how expensive sushi is. It's not that bad, guys. Come on. It's much more delicious and better for you than Chick-fil-A or fried food. So
Even though we got a fried roll.
shh, don't tell them that. But yeah, I don't know how much else we're gonna do right now, but we'll see. We're sitting at a light right now. We need to get 2 lanes over. This is a diesel Cayenne, but I have it in sport mode, have it in paddle shifty mode. Let's see if we can beat these cars.
Look at us go!
Okay, we beat everybody, guys. We made it. Cross both lanes. This is really slow, and then the turbo kicks in. Kind of an interesting feeling, because this is the only car that we own that is single turbo. The Supra's twin turbo, so it has a really even power band. This one is like 1 to 2,500. There's nothing, and then the last 1,500 of the power band or 2,500 of the power band is like, phew, just smacks you. It's kind of fun.
Yeah.
Well, guys, I think that's it for today's video.
So,
Yeah.
it's the end.
Yep.
The end of the world as we know it.
We'll see you in the next one.